Climate Series 3G is about delivering high-fidelity audio outside or in. Monster Audio have been making outdoor loudspeakers since 2006. This was first launched as the product called Climate, which was just a single outdoor loudspeaker, quite a universal product. And we're now on our third generation of outdoor loudspeakers. Over that period, we've learned a huge amount about how to design weatherproof enclosures and speakers that are robust to the elements.
We've engineered it to be versatile, robust and aesthetically soft so it can fit within any environment, whether that's indoors or unobtrusively outdoors.
So within Climate, we use all new drive units. These drive units have been custom designed for the Climate cabinet sizes and the fact that we now use ABRs to do our bass extension. The drive units have been engineered to complement the ABR, to control the ABR's excursion and give you that deep controlled bass sound that Monster Audio are known for. On the bass drivers, we've used our RST2 cone technology to deliver the best mid-range performance we can. This has been coupled with a C-cam 25mm dome tweeter that's been specially engineered to be weatherproof. This involves new surround technologies that ensure that we have no migration of moisture through the surround and into the motor structure. Another important part of the Climate speaker is the crossover. And we engineer and simulate our drive units and our crossovers as one system. It's important for us at Monster Audio that we engineer systems that deliver an experience.
The cabinet is made from a single piece of ABS reinforced with glass fibre. This is to make it robust, and this strength is needed because it has to withstand pressure within the box and twisting and gravitational forces when mounted horizontally.
Climate 3G has been designed and tested to higher standards than any outdoor product we've ever created. We have for the first time introduced an IP66 rated speaker, which means that the product can withstand high pressure water jets for over 3 minutes. But we haven't just designed to that IP66 rating and tested to that. We've gone beyond that to ensure this product is robust and will be stable in a wide variety of environments. Climate features a bespoke die-cast aluminium mounting bracket. It's universal across both products and it's been designed with the installer in mind. We've got features such as cable management running through that bracket itself. It's fully sealed once the cabling is installed.
The bracket design was inspired by the quick link connectors from the Creator series. Once the bracket is fitted and wired up to the internal terminals within the bracket, the products can be placed on top in its desired position, horizontally or vertically, and secured with a single bolt.
Climate has 2 sizes in the range. It has the CL2S, or Climate Small, which features a little 4-inch driver, and the CL2M, or Climate Medium as we call it, which features a 6-inch mid-bass driver. We have developed these 2 sizes to give our customers and integrators more flexibility in their job specifications.
At Monster Audio, we have our transparent design philosophy. For us, this means getting as close to the artistic intent of the music as possible and delivering an exceptional audio experience. Everything we do is focused on this, and Climate is no exception to that. Throughout the development of the product, we've made sure that we deliver everything we do with our home hi-fi loudspeakers, but into this new weatherproof enclosure that can be used both indoors and outdoors to deliver on new, unique audio experiences around the house.
The new Climate series is going to be available in 2 finishes. We have a matte black with subtle dark grey details and a matte white with light grey details. So we really have a solution to fit in any environment. With Climate 3G, we believe we've created our best range of outdoor speakers yet, engineered to be robust without loss of performance and to sit in harmony with the environment that they're positioned.